Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to install Laravel and what are the requirements of Laravel. So the current version of Laravel is Laravel 10 and it needs at least PHP 8.1, and at the time if you can install 8.2 as well or any later version. And this version was released on the 14th of February 2023. And in order to run Laravel, you need a local server setup, which is the requirement for every PHP application. So in order to do that, either you can install a Wamp server or a XAMPP server. So if you are learning Laravel, that means you already know about Wamp or XAMPP. So you will have already installed these applications in your computer. Another thing is Composer. So we need to install Composer, which is a dependency manager for PHP. So it will manage our dependencies. So you need to download it and install it. Now there is Node.js, which is not the requirement, but we will use it later on. So if you want to, so you can install it. So these are the requirements. So just download the Wamp or XAMPP and Composer. And if you want to install Node.js as well, that will be good. So now how can we install Laravel? So if we go to the Laravel website and click on the get started, here you can see different installation methods. So you can install Laravel in different ways. The first way is Composer. So you can install Laravel through Composer. So you can copy it, and if I open my CMD command prompt, so in my case I will be using Wamp. So I will go to that directory. So cd and cd Wamp 64 and www. But if you are using XAMPP, so it will be XAMPP 64 and htdocs. So here you need to store your files. So here if I write composer and dash version, so what is the version of my composer? So you can see I have installed the composer and the current version is 2.5.5. So that means composer is working, so we can use the composer. So here I copied this code from the Laravel website and I pasted it here. So composer, so we are telling the composer, okay, composer, create a project, and that will be from the Laravel and the name of the app. So here we will change the example app. So here I will write my past project and click enter. So now it will install Laravel and it will take some time. So it is installing all of these dependencies. And we will wait for it until it finishes. So as you can see, the application is installed successfully. So now what we can do is we will go to that directory. So cd my past project. We are on this project now, and I will open it in the Visual Studio Code. You can use any editor. So I will write here code, and this project will be open in the Visual Studio Code. So currently I don't have the Wamp server running, so I will open the Wamp server. And now Wamp server is running, and you can see it here, it is green. So now if I open the terminal here, so here I can write PHP artisan serve to run this project, and we will discuss this later on in detail. And now it is given us a link. So if we click on this link, now you can see your first Laravel project, which is installed, up and running. So the Laravel current version is Laravel 10.7.1 and the PHP version is 8.2.0. Now there is another way. So you can install the Laravel installer globally on your computer, and then you can create new projects from that global installer. So let's say I want to copy it. Now here in the CMD, right here, if I go back, and here I will paste that. So Composer Global require Laravel installer. So we will install the Laravel installer globally so that we can create a new project. So now it's installed, and now here we can write Laravel new and my second project. So now it will create another project from that installer. So now our new application has been created successfully. And if we write cd second project and code here so that we can open it in the Visual Studio Code. So I will close the first project. And now if I check it, here is this. The Laravel application, it will not be running. So now let's see. So here you can write, or you can write in the Visual Studio Code, but this time I will write here in this CMD. So I will write here PHP artisan. So, and again, now let's check this link, and this second application is running. And it has created all of these files and folders for us, which we will discuss later on in the next videos. So that's all about Laravel installation, and see you in the next video.